Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we've hit a new record in the dividends for the largest amount coming in 1 month. And so if you're new to the channel, we're going to talk about it today. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. If you're not new, welcome back. So we have finished the first month in the new year of 2023. Hopefully you are still on track after setting your goals, setting your financial goals, setting your aspirations, and so on and so forth. But today we are going to talk about the dividends we received for the month of January 2023, our first month in the new year, of course, and our biggest month. We have set a new record, of course, and we'll go through the dividend tracker that I do have that keeps track of year-over-year growth, the amount of dividends we have, and the total amount. So we're just going to get right into it here, and we'll start with the first dividend that we did receive, which was on January 3rd, 2023 from TELUS Corporation, a telecommunications company, ticker symbol T. We received $16.85 from TELUS Communications. Next, we did receive from the Vanguard S&P 500 index ETF that Vanguard provides. On January 9th, we earned $5.67. If you don't know what the Vanguard S&P 500 index ETF is, it is the top 500 companies within the US. And yeah, it just tracks those companies. And the ticker symbol for that one is VFV.TO if you are in Canada and you want to buy the Canadian version of that. Next, on January 16th, we received from another telecommunications company that we have in the portfolio here, Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE. We received $21.16. So TELUS, Bell, and then there's Rogers as well, one of the three of the largest telecommunication companies in Canada. I don't like Rogers, nothing against them or anything. I just I prefer TELUS and Bell Canada. So that was January 16th from, again, BCE, Bell Canada, at $21.16. The next one we received was from the tech sector. This is a more, I don't know how to explain them, but more of a tech play. Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO. January 25th, we received $11.70 Canadian from them, and this is one of these the American companies that I own in the portfolio. This stock has a bad rap to it sometimes, or this company has a bad rap, but mostly not the company, I guess I should say, the stock itself, because this is one of those companies that their stock price went pretty high during that .com era, and when the .com crash happened, or the bubble happened, stock price fell. Of course, a lot of companies did, but it hasn't gone back to what the levels were pre that bubble. And so a lot of people sometimes don't have, I guess they have their opinions about the stock, but I'm strong in this play. I know they are doing changes within the company. So again, that is Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO, and again, $11.70 on January 25th, 2023. The next dividend that we received in January was on January 27th, and this is from a Canadian financial company, financial banks, one of the big five, but now I'm hearing a lot of people saying the big six. And so I think it's National Bank that has now been included in the big six, has been added to the big five, which makes it the big six. But yes, we received a dividend, a whopping $21.63 from Bank of Nova Scotia on January 27th, 2023. And the ticker symbol for these guys is BNS. And a little recent news about Bank of Nova Scotia, they did have a CEO change. So that's really good. Hoping good things come out of them for the rest of the year. Next, but not least, another Canadian financial institute on January 31st, 2023. TD Canada Trust, Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD, of course. We received on January 31st, $15.36. TD is on the top, the upper echelon of the big six now. Well, not now, but when I say big six, I mean now that there's six, they're on the higher echelon of things. They are well adversed in having US exposure as well. And yeah, can't complain about them. Again, January 31st, $15.36 from Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD. So that brings the total amount of dividends for January 2023 to a whopping $92.37. Now you're going to see this on the screen, of course. Year over year, that is 193% growth. As you can see in 2022, we received $31.54, but this year we almost tripled that number from 31 to 92, but 193% growth. So we hit the target of 31.54, and now we've made $92.37. As you can see, it is all calculated there, and you can see in 2021 we received $9.21. So the growth in that is pretty exponential. Just looking at that, and this year so far we've already hit 21% of hitting what we made last year in dividends already. So we're 79% behind. No worries there, as we still have 11 months to earn dividends and just completely wash 2022's numbers right out of whatever, or blow them out of the water is what I'm trying to say. As you can see in 2022, total amount of dividends we received was $445.63. And this year will continue to grow, as we always do, as you consistently invest. And you can see with all this data, I guess, the importance of just continuing to invest month over month, week over week, day over day, if that's how frequent you invest, year over year. You can see the growth, and it just, encourages you to keep going, to replace, maybe a day's work of minimum wage work, right? So $92 divided by 15, I don't know how many hours that is, but let's say you work an 8-hour day at $15. We're pretty much close to having a day where we're working minimum wage from just dividends, by not lifting a finger, but just owning stock in companies and having complete ownership of that. So January is starting off great in 2023, and really excited to see what the next months bring for us. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. It's a new record, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and love to hear how much dividends you guys received in the first month of 2023. So yeah, have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.